Hey guys, what's going on? I just had my birthday and my lovely wife gave me a pretty cool present I've been waiting for a long time. It's a Sony PS5, PlayStation, and it was a bundle with an extra controller, a couple games, probably all heard of them before. So I'm gonna open these and do an unboxing video. People have asked me to do it. I'm sure like there's been another 100,000 of these already, but we're gonna put these aside here and we're gonna start with the big one. All right, I got my knife. Take my glasses off. We're gonna do this right now, okay? Yeah. So it looks like this pulls out of here. And you know what? I kind of forgot to talk about some of the features, so let's just talk about them, okay? It's a PS5, PlayStation 5. It'll do 8K, 4K, 120 hertz, although not many TVs support 120 hertz. HDR, all right, I'm 53, so my memory is not working good. HDR stands for high dynamic range. There, it just came back to me. So we got lightning speed. It has its own, flash storage with its own Sony, controller chip. Okay, you're immersed. Okay, games are good. All right, that's enough of that. So open her up. Okay. It's pretty exciting for me. Hope for all you also. Let's do this. All right, let me get back in view here. This is a big moment here. You ready? It's actually smaller than I thought it would be, but it's pretty heavy. Pretty dense in here. All right, move it around so you all can see it. Ooh. Yeah. Ta-da! There she is. Look at that. The reason I'm looking at my watch all the time is because I'm previewing my iPhone video on my watch. It's a pretty cool feature for doing selfie videos. All right, there she is. Take a look at her, okay? So I'm showing you the back right now. Got some USB 3s, got RJ45 Ethernet, HDMI, got a power. Interesting, it's a smaller power, it's not the big 15 amp. What's that button there? Nothing. And here's the front. It's got a USB 3, yeah, it has a USB-C. Interesting, has a USB-C on it. What else do we got? Old-fashioned USB 2, I guess, a charge, whatever. It's power, an eject button. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. A lot of ventilation, a lot of airflow in this bad boy. All right, let's put that over there. Oh, it has a PS logo right there. Let's see what we got here. Some accessories. Power cord. Yeah, see my PS4 Pro has a big 15 amp power cord, so I guess they thought this doesn't use as much juice. I got it optimized. And it's a controller. Look at that. First time I've had my hand on this new controller. It's supposed to have a haptic trigger so you feel the gun recoil. I don't know what you're gonna do with it. A lot of shooting, I guess. It's already lit up. It has some charge in it. And ooh, look at this. I got an HDMI cable. No, I'm sorry. This isn't. This is a USB cable. It's a USB-A to USB-C. So that might come in handy to charge a controller or whatnot. I don't know. Does it come with a USB or HDMI? Probably not, but oh, it does. There you go. HDMI. I mean, I have a million of these, but I mean, I'm all about the HDMI. If you didn't know, if you didn't see any of my home theater, which by the way, it's been brought to my attention that all my home theater movie room videos are over 2 years old, which they are. So I've done a lot of upgrading, and of course this is going in the home theater, but that knife didn't do a lot with cutting this twisty. So I'm gonna start uploading all new home theater content showing the upgrades I've did to my room. Full 4K HDR, a new projector, got some new 2-channel audio stuff. We've got a turntable, so we can talk about that in future videos. But this is a nice HDMI cable. Actually, I don't know if it's any good or not. It looks kind of crappy, but excuse my language. And okay, this is the vertical stand or the horizontal stand or whatever. I'm planning on keeping this thing vertical. I've already made space in my room, in my rack, my DIY rack, which is really just Home Depot MDF boards. But if I want to mount it down low in a sleeping position, I guess that this thing goes in the bottom. I don't know. I'll read about it. And looks like a manual. Does anyone read these things? Probably not. So what do we got here? We got a second controller because it's a bundle deal. And I guess there are some games that 2 people can play together. So let's open this up and see what we got. All right, so this talks about it. Haptic feedback 2. So it's like 2nd gen haptic feedback. Adaptive triggers 2. Oh, you know, the 2 is a footnote. It's not like 2nd gen, so that's pretty stupid that I said that. But it has haptic feedback and adaptive triggers. Built-in microphone. That's cool. Does it have a built-in speaker also? The old one did. Signature comfort. Well, I don't know if it's comfortable or not, but I didn't even know that was a thing. But let's see. I guess if you're playing for 12, 14, 20 hours a day, for weeks on end, you want your controller to be comfortable. I mean, it's time and age. A lot of people are just staying home and playing on their game machine. So I guess you want to stay comfortable, right? There it is. Look at that. Ooh. You know, it is pretty comfortable. It has some mass to it, some heft. Feels good. USB-C. Don't have to worry about which way you're putting the cord in pitch blackness. It doesn't come with a charge cable. What the heck? There's no charge cable in here. Okay. So I got to share one charge cable for 2 controllers. I mean, they could have put another USB-A to USB-C cord in here, so I don't have to buy one for $5, but... All right, well, what do you say? We open these games also before I call it a wrap? We got Marvel Spider-Man Miles Morales Ultimate Edition for the PS5. I think in this game, Spider-Man's brother. So, I don't know. It's all right with me. I don't know, some people might think that's a little strange, but you know, as long as he can make that web and get the bad guys, it's all right with me. So this does support the vibration and trigger effect in here. It says it requires 105 gigs of storage, which is 1/8 of the entire storage. It's kind of strange. This is Ultra HD Blu-ray, so I guess it requires the... Does this even have Ultra HD Blu-ray? I guess it does, it says in the game. So it has a disc, one disc. So, I guess it has to be Ultra HD to fit 105 gigs onto one disc. But there it says Ultra HD. I know my Last of Us 2 for PS4 came on 2 discs, and this comes in 1, so it must be an Ultra HD disc. Cool, there you go, Spider-Man. Yeah, I'm probably holding it way too far from the camera, but I don't know. And we got another game here. What do we got? We got Call of Duty, Black Ops Cold War. I've never played any of the Call of Duty on PS3, PS4, or PS5, so it's a 17 plus mature rating, so the kid's not gonna play it. And it's for the PS5, so it's the best-selling franchise on PS4. So she even best her on the PS5. So this supports, oh, look at that. 2 to 4 network players. Ooh, 285 gig minimum. So with these 2 games, I'm gonna almost fill up the solid state drive in this machine. Well, more than half. Oh, zombies. I like zombies. I mean, I like getting rid of them. There's an epilepsy warning. So, is this one disc again? So I guess these all are Ultra HD discs. Cool. Hopefully I'll have a lot of fun playing this. Hopefully it's not too hard, because my aim's not very good, so to speak. Well, that's a wrap. So, I'm gonna make some more videos of all my equipment. But there you go. Cheers.